What's up, guys? Daniel Ndukwu here, back at it like a crack addict. Anyways, in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make money by watching videos. And in some cases, you can get paid $4 for watching a short video. If you're interested in training around how to make money online, whether that's a couple dollars a day, a couple $100s a month, or thousands of dollars that'll allow you to quit your job and start a new career path or a new business, then definitely subscribe to the channel. I release videos multiple times a week. Now, if you want to make money watching videos, I'm talking about up to $4 per video, then go to www. There are many websites that help you make money via doing simple tasks, right? Sometimes you'll have to sign up for something, take a survey, etc. Now, the websites I'm going to show you here are based on watching short videos or doing short actions for a few seconds up to a few minutes. And through those actions, you get paid. Now, the first entry on our list is actually really uncommon. You want to go to www.coinbase.com. Coinbase may seem like an odd place to go and find videos that you're going to use to make money by watching, right? Like it's a Bitcoin, or rather cryptocurrency exchange. So you can exchange Bitcoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin, and their own special currency, I believe. But that's not actually what we're here for. If you look at the top menu, it says earn up to $158. And that is what we're interested in. All right? So you can earn money in the form of cryptocurrency while learning about cryptocurrency. What they're doing is they're paying you to educate yourself about cryptocurrency, or they're paying you to learn more about cryptocurrency. And currently you can earn up to $158 by just going through a couple videos. Now, you can, in this example, or what they have now, you can earn up to 52 OXT or Orchid by watching a few videos. You can earn 6 Tezos. You can earn $50 worth of EOS. Now let's take a look at Orchid. There are roughly 4 lessons. Each one is very short, just 3 minutes. So that's $1 a minute or $60 an hour, or more than $1 a minute. That's about $1.25 a minute, or $60 an hour, around $60 an hour, right? If it took an hour. So for every video that you watch, you earn $4 worth of OXT, and you can cash it out via Coinbase. It'll be deposited right into your Coinbase account. So in total, you can earn 52 OXT by going through all the videos within this short lesson, within this short course rather. So each course has its own value assigned to it, as you saw before, $6 here, $50 here, $50 here, etc. So they're always actually adding new courses to the platform. So maybe you come through today, you take all of the courses, but if you come back like in a week or 2 weeks, there'll be new courses for you to take. So that's why you should always check these platforms over and over and over again, because you don't know what kind of gems you'll find the next time you visit. So $158 in cryptocurrency isn't bad. Once they give it to you, transfer it to something common like Bitcoin, and then turn it into cold hard cash that you can use to go to the restaurant, buy a new pair of shoes, buy a bag, settle 1 or 2 bills, your choice. And at most, you'll spend about an hour doing this. So the next one on our list is u-cubes.com. ucubes.com. Now, ucube is a platform designed to help you earn cash online. Now, they do this in a number of different ways. You can visit websites, you can complete surveys, you can watch videos, and you can also advertise if you have a website. Now, I wouldn't really recommend advertising on this kind of website, because the person visiting your site is only interested in what they stand to gain from visiting, like that credit or those points, whatever the case may be, right? And so you can cash out via different ways like PayPal, and there are multiple advertising platforms that work with uCubes to allow you to make that money for the actions you take. And they claim to have over 400,000 members, which means that this site should be pretty legit, right? The sign up process is pretty straightforward. All you have to do is fill out your name and a bit of biodata and confirm your email address, and it takes you to your dashboard. When you get to your dashboard, it'll show you a whole bunch of different ways you can earn. First, you have to click earn, of course, and then view sponsored ads. So you'll see here that there are a whole bunch of different kind of advertisers that come together under the uCubes umbrella. So all of them have different offers. Let me just show you how one works. Let me see. This one is worth, I think, less than £1. A pence? What is it? A pence? I don't really know what that currency is called. So what you want to do is you want to confirm you're not a bot. So I'm going to click I am real. And that's from Ucubes. Ucubes wants to make sure that real people are visiting the website. So it opens it within an iframe, and then you interact with the website. So once you interact with the website, you'll watch this thing going here. And once this thing completes, you click me now, and the credits are added to your account, are credited to your account. So I just earned that much. I don't know what this is because I still earned something. Well, but anyway, so you can go through and find all those. Some of them are videos, some of them are offers like I just showed you, etc., etc. It really just depends on what shows up in your Earn tab and your ad board. So once you click on the cube, it'll take you to a page like this. So here it says every 30 cubes clicked earns you £1 in cube funds. So in order to make sure you're a real human being, you gotta add the capture here at the top, 7FE1F, and then the credits will be added to. I'm not even sure if I got that right. So yeah, once you get that capture right, the time will count again, just like in the other ad, and you're done. It'll be credited to your account. And you also get cube funds for just logging in. So really that's it for Ucubes. Just click around, earn, and eventually you'll have enough credit and you can withdraw that. You can exchange that for cash. So the minimum payout for Ucubes is £8, and you get paid out via PayPal, which is similar to other platforms like this. Now, they won't entertain any other type of payment option. So if you don't have a PayPal or you don't have access to a PayPal account, then this may not be for you. You may want to consider something else. So another platform that you can use to earn money from videos is called successbucks.com. Now, there are many ways to earn with SuccessBucks. You can watch videos, you can view ads, you can fill out surveys, you can participate in contests, you can do miscellaneous tasks, you can refer people, etc. So there is no shortage of methods or strategies to earn money with this platform. But the thing is that they're relatively inexpensive or relatively low paying. So it's really a volume game with this one, right? So let me show you what the dashboard looks like. Once you log in, this is what you see. You have your profile, statistics, cash out, banners, referrals, etc. Really all your information about what's going on. So this is for affiliates or advertisers. So if you want to earn, you're going to come up here to the top menu and click on earn. So it'll show you all the different offers and things available to you, right? You can pay to click, get paid to sign up, extra PTC ads, that's pay to click ads. Clicks wall, ad click wall, minute staff, trial pay. There are so many different offers. So I'm just going to go to pay to click and see what's available. So as you can see here, you can just go to any of these offers here, and then you can see that you earn 0.00001 of a dollar. Now that is very unappealing to me. So like here, this one is 1 cent for signing up. And then there are slots available 53. And then this one is not 1 cent, it's 10 cents. And then this one is also 10 cents, but there's only one slot available. You can also unlock more tasks if you sign up for a premium account, but I don't think that's necessary, especially when you're, trying to make more money, not spend money on the platform. So, you got to weigh your options there, whether you want to optimize by any means necessary, or you want to take what's available and do the best with what you have. So here are different surveys, and then this one is 5,175 coins. This one is 6,000 coins, but they do take a considerable amount of time, 10 minutes for these surveys. But it's a pretty decent return on your time, especially compared to those other ones that were just 0.001 coin. Or so when you want to cash out, you'll go back to the home screen, and then you'll click the cash out option. So you can exchange your coins for different options, right? So once you've earned something, you can now change it to money, and then you can withdraw it via PayPal, Pays a Perfect Money, what is the Solid Trust Pay? So the only one that's relevant to me is PayPal. So the minimum payout is $1.10, and then there's a 4% processing fee. So what you want to do is you want to withdraw. You want to type in the amount that you're going to withdraw, and then you're going to do a net withdrawal, and then you're going to add your personal PIN. So this personal PIN is actually provided for you when you finish setting up your account. So I've not actually done that, so I don't have a personal PIN at the moment. Just wanted to use this account as an example for you so you don't get lost while using it. So those are 3 platforms that you can use to watch videos and complete specific offers and actually make a decent amount of income from. Now, this isn't life-changing income, and I'm well aware of that, but you can make $100, $200, $300, $400, sometimes in some cases like $500 or $600 in a month if you're consistent with the offers and what you're doing. You gotta log in every day, you gotta complete as many offers as possible, and in that way you'll be able to gather points and income from these platforms, then withdraw them maybe once a week or at the end of the month, whichever one best suits you. But if you want to make a life-changing amount of income, or you want to learn even more strategies to make a couple $100 or a couple $1,000 every month, then make sure you subscribe to the channel and like this video. I will see you in the next one. Daniel out.